This is not to be missed. Anton here from Richards Bay. Thanks for Legacy Builders, and with the skills that they've taught me how to become a digital marketer, I'm already earning a reasonable good income online, and they also teach me the skills how to promote my own business and also get additional income or extra stream of income. So just let me show you of this wonderful place where I've worked from time to time. This is a portion of what I do here, but this is not what I really want to show you guys. Just hold on, go nowhere, and I'm going to show you what is mind-blowing. Like you can see, this is a legit business. It is home of the quality cars in Empangeni. Look at all this beauty here. Look at it. Just look how awesome this is. If you want some power underneath the hood, this is the place to be. And if you want me to tell you how I earn this income, just put in the comments, put power, and I will gladly share my secret with you. Or my number is on the screen, just pop me that WhatsApp call.